Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see again into our another tutorial video. And here I got inspired by the previous video to remake and do some editing from another video clip that in the previous video was from the Korean girl band, and here I am using the rapper from America, and we will do the light and basic editing for this video clip. So here in the first clip I have also prepared to do the same adjustment for the second, third, and the rest of the clip. For example, in the first clip I have at the animation named the swing top right, and also I have at the mask for this clip name the mirror, and also I have also adjust the speed by the curve. So I will do the same with the another clip. So let's get into it, guys. Here for the clip between clip 1 and clip 2 I have put the transition here, and it is named as the pullout. So guys, basically if you are doing the editing video, it is also depend on the vibe of the video or the clip that you would like to remake, because since this video is in the atmosphere of chill out, then I will not put a lot of effect and a lot of glitch on it. Maybe I will put the glitch so it can be enough to look different with the previous. Here for the second clip I put the glitch here, or the black glitch. How to do that? Then it is pretty easy. The first time I click the overlay here, then I click overlay or add overlay, then I choose this one. Or since I have prepared this glitch, then I just need to copy or duplicate this glitch and put it in the section that I will need to place. For example, I'll give you the illustration. I will click this glitch and duplicate and move it, and also duplicate it again. I'm sorry, it's too much. There you go. Then I will slide it or move it to the almost the last second of this second clip. Then for this 2-second clip I have also put the mask on it as the mirror, and it can be also adjusted. Then I will put it here and apply it. Then I will do the rest for this third clip. I will add the effect, video effect. Then I will choose the white flash is better. Then I will also adjust the speed. And after that, I will put the transition between the clip 2 and clip 3 with the pull out. Then I will apply it to all over clip and apply it. As you can see, the pull out transition is suitable for this clip. Then I will also adjust the mask and transform the opacity and apply it. As you can see, the effect of this clip third give you the white glitch. And I will also do the same. I put the mask mirror for this clip. Sorry. The mask, and I will adjust the opacity too. Then I will focus on this car. And this is the final look. That's it, guys. This is the simple video editing from mine. So if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below. And don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel if you would like to know more about another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.